like that. Hello all, super fast, easy tutorial on the entire song of Love Me Like That by Sam Kim. Basically, you're going to do your major 7 shape. All that means is hit your E with your thumb and your D and G with your middle and ring finger. D and G on the next fret over. So major 7 here is going to be on the 10th fret and 11th fret. So E on the 10th, D and G on the 11th. Just hit those 3 strings. Then you do a minor 7 shape. So here it's going to be same thing, E, D, G, just on the same fret, right? On the 9th fret. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the 7th fret. So now for the little riff part, on the major 7, I hit the pinky on the 12th. Now I go a little, hit the D, G, hammer on, and then the high E on the 5th. But because I have the capo there, it makes it easier. But if you take it off, you can just do the same thing. Like that. Just don't miss it like me. But yeah, it'll just be that. Remember, again, B minor 7, so minor 7 shape, hammer on the G, on the 5th, hit the pinky. Again, if you have the capo, makes it a lot easier, right? And that's all. Enjoy.